Have you had trouble with your Wi-Fi? Is your wireless internet slow and do your devices tend to disconnect a lot? Are you concerned your wireless network could be vulnerable to hackers? Do you spend a lot of time on the phone with internet support agents? If you answered yes to any of these questions, we can help. Our highly trained team, coupled with the best equipment, will ensure you have a hassle-free Wi-Fi solution that just works for all your devices throughout your home. Here are some of the highlights. An expert technician will install and fully optimize your Wi-Fi for your home. The router we install for you is cutting edge and has been fully tested, so we're confident it will give you only the best Wi-Fi experience. You can rest easy knowing your router is secure from threats. Our team will work remotely to keep it up to date with the latest protections against hackers. When you need support, such as help with a slow connection, we'll be able to remotely troubleshoot your equipment, make updates, and resolve in real time, so you'll spend less time on the phone and more time enjoying a great internet connection. Your Wi-Fi plays a big role in your life, and when it doesn't work correctly, it can have a huge impact on your day. With our affordable Wi-Fi service, you can eliminate those disruptions and keep your devices connected, your internet speeds where they should be, and your privacy intact. Call us today and start experiencing Wi-Fi the way Wi-Fi should be experienced.